Your ultimate goal is to turn your catering customers into clients or customers who use you over and over again. To do this, you need to create an iron cage of loyalty around them. Our software helps you do this with the Autopilot marketing system. With everything you have going on, this makes it easy for you to take those customers and turn them into clients. Our first campaign is a thank you campaign. You'll go up to marketing at the top, and on the left, you'll see thank you campaign. Everyone knows that thank you letters are important, but with all you have going on, it often slips through the cracks. With our system, we help you design your own thank you letter. You can set a minimum amount that a customer must spend to receive a letter. You can set how often letters are able to be sent to the same customer. If you scroll down, we'll help you customize a message to be put in the letter body. Finally, we can go through the letter preview with you. As you can see, the letter will have your logo on it and have your signature at the bottom. Our system will make sure that you don't have to worry about getting your thank you letters out. We'll take care of the labels, address, and shipping, so it's one less thing for you to worry about. Another feature we have is the loyalty and referral program. This is also under marketing and on the left. This program is two-tiered, not only giving your customers percentages back of their own purchases, but also giving them percentages of their referrals purchases. They'll get 5% of their own purchases back and 2% of their referrals. This creates incentives for your customers to refer people to you and make sure that you're getting new referrals. Like the thank you letter, we can also help you customize a referral letter to go out. It features your logo and signature, and at the bottom, there are coupons for the customer to give to friends and family. There's a tracking code for each coupon, so when their referrals use them to order catering from you, your client will start receiving 2% back on whatever their referrals spend. When the client reaches a certain number of points in your loyalty program, we will automatically send out a loyalty certificate and customized letter. You'll set the threshold for the amount of points they need to reach, and we'll do the rest. Let's talk about inactive customers. Customers who haven't ordered from you in 30, 60, or even 90 days. We provide an Autopilot customer reactivation campaign where you can send up to 3 letters to follow up with these inactive customers. The first letter has a puzzle piece, and the body says, "I'm a little puzzled." There are really 2 reasons why people stop ordering. 1, you might have done something wrong. In this letter, we'll ask them if that's the case. Or 2, they just stop using you. These letters will provide special promotions that help bring them back. The second letter is a Rubik's Cube. I'm still confused. And the third letter is a corn maze. Have we lost you for good? You'll be able to decide how quickly to send these letters out after a customer's last order. Once those are sent out, we'll email you a report of everyone who did not respond to the reactivation campaign. This allows you to reach out by email or phone call to make sure there's no one new at the business you need to contact and ensure that no one falls through the cracks. Another letter we have is the birthday letter. You'll go back to the marketing section and select birthday program on the left. Like before, you can set spending minimums to receive the birthday letter, select the value of a gift certificate to include, and customize the letter's message. Birthdays are important occasions in people's lives, so sending this out is a really easy way to look good and impress a customer. These letters might even make you money if customers decide to come in to eat on their actual birthday. These were some of the campaigns in the marketing module, and we're always adding new campaigns. The big benefit to you is that these features are autopilot. Once you set the criteria, you don't have to worry about anything else. We'll take care of it. These campaigns are really important for turning customers into clients, helping you get increased loyalty, increased referrals, and increased sales.